what is flex box. Okay, here the flex box is, we will to arrange the align items in a container only. Okay, it will not overrided and it will not move here and there, and as well it will there, and as well it will be there in the dynamic format only. It will should not be accepted the static things. What is dynamic and static means? The dynamic will be the change as per.
జయశ్రీ జయశ్రీ
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవ్వట్లా.
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవ్వట్లేదు.
Okay, what is what is static and dynamic means? The dynamic will be the changes as per user requirement, and the static means it will be the fixed, it won't be changed as well. Okay, flexbox. So flexbox is a CSS part, and we will tell it as CSS layout system that makes it easy to arrange, and align items in a container, even when their size is unknown. Okay, size is unknown or dynamic, so it will be changed as per user requirement as well. And here we have some properties that will be the flex container. And what is flex container means? The parent element with display flex. Okay, the parent element with display flex that controls the layout of its child element. Okay, so we have flex items. So flex items means here the flex items means it will be the direct children of flex container that can be arranged and sizes. Okay, and sized using flex properties. Okay, next, flex responsive. Here flex box helps create layout that automatically two different screens. Okay, two different screen sizes and devices as well. So we will use this flex properties. We need to build some example here. I'm going to opening already what we have. Already we have the parent folder, that will be the Angular folder. I have named it as, and after that I'm going to opening CSS folder. So here cmd, this is the shortcut key for command prompt. So here code space dot enter. What happened here? The particular folder has to be open in your Visual Studio Code, and after that you need to open the flexbox .html or htm. So only I am taking here the HTML part, and after I'm going to using that will be the bytecode. What is the shortcut key for bytecode? What is the shortcut key for bytecode?
Shift plus exclamatory.
Shift plus exclamatory enter. So what happened over there? What is bytecode actually? What is bytecode? Anyone?
Zeros and ones.
Hmm? What is bytecode? Cheppale. So bytecode means the structure of HTML. Okay. What is bytecode? The bytecode will be the structure of HTML. Okay. So I am going to using here some HTML code, that will be H2 and CSS Flexbox, and after that I'm going to take, that will be the div class flex container. I'm going to taking flex container here, so that will be the flex container will be the class, and here I'm going to take div class flex flex item I will take here. Okay, flex item, the class name will be, and here I'm taking item 1, and after that div class, so I'm taking here flex item, so here I'm taking item 2. So after that I'm taking div class flex item, here I'm taking item 3. The same thing, I'm taking the same class I'm applying here. Why the same class I'm applying? What you are writing, the same box, what you have the all CSS properties you are applying over there, that will be added in the class purpose only. Okay, so here I'm going to taking that page title, that will be flex box. Okay, so after that I'm taking here link, so I need to link this one, so rel, so here the style sheet, and after that href, in the href I'm taking the flex box dot extension will be the css, only we have the extension, only one extension, that will be dot css, and the second we have the html2 extensions, so html or html, not and. Okay, so I'm going to taking what we have, this is the plain html, I'm going to executing this one, so we didn't apply any css here, and I'm going to applying the css as well, so the UI will be changed here. I'm going to opening, and here I'm taking that one, I'm taking the plain html, so that will be what we have applied. First we have applied flex container here, so take this flex container class, flex container class with using dot, right? Next after that you can take display flex, so display flex means what happened, we will observe adding one css. Okay, so we are going to applying the flex here, so it will be in a align format, right? So I'm going to applying the css using using UI part and using inspect tool I'm applying here, so flex wrap. Okay, so I'm applying the class will be the wrap, so we don't have any css, it will not change anything here. So content I'm going to taking contained here, the content space I'm giving here, so space around I'm giving here. So align here, the align will be the item, so align I'm taking center, so align center I'm taking. After that background I'm taking, so here the background color, so the background color will be some pink or something here, so deep pink also it is fine, so deep pink, deep sky blue, or else like this, so deep pink I'm taking here. Next, after that padding, so padding means what happened, the around will be the space it will given as per your what you are taking, that one. So for identifying purpose only I'm taking this type of colors, okay, please don't take these colors, it will not good for see. Next gap, I'm giving the gap for 20 pixel for both, for all items what I'm taking. You can adjust it, you can, it will give in some else gap, okay, so it will good for only 20 pixels, okay. So I'm going to taking this all CSS part from here to, I want to paste here, okay. So deep pink I'm going to removing here, so purple, so we have pale violeted here, so we will observe the CSS will be added successfully. For what I have added, for container I have added, so after what the class we have, just a second, the laptop is stopped. So here the flex item here, so you can copy this flex item as well from here, so you can take dot flex item, so after that you can take, I'm taking background color, so background color I'm going to taking light green, okay. Direct named color I'm applying here, so light sea green I'm taking here, so I will, so see here, so I'm going to applying the flex container part, just a second ma. So after that I'm going to applying color here, so the color will be the white, so here the text color will be changed, and after that the same thing padding I'm taking here, so padding I'm taking 20 pixels as well, it will give in the space around box, and after that flex I'm taking here, the flex I'm taking here, so I'm taking the value here, so like this, so one, you can take another one, and you can take 200 pixels as well, so it will be the space around all the things here, so it is the alternate for padding, okay. Next, after that text align I need as a center, so you can take text align as a center here, text align as a center, and after that a border radius you can take, border radius 8 pixels, okay, so I'm going to increasing this size, so like this, so 20, okay, so padding, the border padding it will be, and after that I'm going to taking this CSS part, and I'm going to applying here. Okay, so what happened, the flexes and all the flex items, how it will be applied, it is clear. But here we will taking in the responsive format, it will give the response or not, we will see. So it is giving the response, but that much of accurate response will not give for all dimensions. For that we will use the uh, we will use the media queries, @media queries. How it will be means, you can assign @media, directly you can take @media here, @media you can take max width. Okay, you can take max width here, and after that I'm taking the default in the media, the default will be the 600 pixels. Okay, so here I'm taking dot flex container. For flex container I'm taking this one. Okay, so flex direction also, flex direction. So here the column, so align items, I'm taking stretch. So stretch means, so it will be while you're going to decreasing and increasing the uh, screen resolution, that will be in the same response. Okay, so this is how the way the flex box will be. Here you have any doubts, see here. So it should be in some format. So this is the responsive what I have taken. So I'm going to give some iPhone. So iPhone also the same thing. So what happened, I have